Namaste students, myself Sunil Kumar from the Department of Computer Science. Today we are moving to new chapter 2, Boolean Algebra, and today's topic is Introduction to Boolean Algebra, Binary Valued Quantities, Truth Table and Logical Operators. First we'll move to the introduction. An algebra that deals with the binary number system is called as Boolean algebra. See, in last year we discussed about the different types of number systems. One is binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system and also hexadecimal number system. An algebra that deals with only binary number system. Binary number system means it contains 0 and 1, only two values or two symbols, that is 0 and 1. Based on that 0 and 1 we are working, that is actually now that algebra is known as Boolean algebra. It is a very powerful in designing logical circuits. When you are going to design the logical circuit, we are using the Boolean algebra is required. Logical circuits are designed based on the Boolean algebra. The logic gates are building blocks of the all circuits in a computer. In a computer there are different circuits are there. All the circuits are designed based on the logic gates. Based on the logic gates, all the circuits are designed. If you want to design the logic gates, Boolean algebra is required. So we can say that basic of the computer is Boolean algebra. Then Boolean algebra derives its name from mathematician known as George Boole. So who discovered the Boolean algebra means that is George Boole. George Boole discovered the Boolean algebra in the year 1815 to 1864, that is the year, and who is considered the father of symbolic logic. Nowadays we are using logic gates. Who is the father of that symbolic logic means that is George Boole. Boolean algebra deals with the truth table, true and false. Mainly we are using two values here, either it may be true or false. Mainly deals with the truth table or uses a truth table that based on the values true and false. It is also called switching algebra because the value is switching either true or false. Only two values are there, though it is switching from true to false or false to true. So that's why it is also known as switching algebra. A variable used in Boolean algebra or Boolean equation can have only two variables. Normally here if in a Boolean algebra or in Boolean equation we are using a variable that can have only two values. The two values are false and true. We are using only two values, that is false and true. False is represented as 0 and true is represented as 1. We are using two values, one is a 0 and 1. 0 means it is a false value, true 1 means it is a 1 value, 1 means that is a true, 0 means that is false. A sentence which can be determined to be true or false is if we take any sentence that answer or that result either true or false, that statements are known as logical statement. To take any statement, that statement's output or that result we can say or either true or false. We can say yes or no, or we can say the true or false. Answer should be either true or false. That type of statements are known as logical statements, or also we can call truth functions. We are saying truth functions or logical statement. So if we take the logical statement or truth functions, output may be either true or false. Other than that we won't get any other outputs. The results true or false is called as truth values. We will get, if you take any logical statement, we will get the output either true or false. That true or false are called as truth values. The variable which can store the truth values are known as logical variables or binary valued variables. So if you take any variable, that variable hold either true value or false value or truth values. If you take any variable in a Boolean algebra, that value either 0 or 1. We can't say that in other numbers, either it can take value of 0 or it can take the value 1. So that is the truth values. So that variables are known as logical variables, or it is also known as binary valued variables. This can store one of two values, means that variable can store one of two values, either 0 or 1. only two values are possible to store in variables, that is 0 and 1. The decision which result in either yes or no. Normally if you take any decisions, that decision either yes or no, that decisions are known as binary decision. Yes means true or 1, no means it is a false or 0. Yes, true, 1, both also same. Then no, false or 0, both also same. So that decisions are known as binary decisions. The next we will see the truth table. Truth table is a mathematical table. We are using one mathematical table using two logic to computer function values of logical expressions. Truth table we are using for logical expressions to find the values, functional values. To find the function values or to find the logic, we are using one table. That table is known as truth table. A truth table is a mathematical table used in logic to computer functional values of logical expressions. A truth table is a table whose column, if you take any table that contains column and rows, that columns are used for statements and rows are used for possible scenarios. Normally if you, that will understand later how columns are used and how rows are used. Normally if you take the truth table, it contains rows and columns are used for statements, rows are used for possible scenarios or possible combinations. If result of any logical expression is always true or 1, if you take any logical expression, that logical expression's output is always 1 means that is known as tautology. Whenever the output of the truth table is entire 1, always the truth table output is 1 means that is actually known as tautology. And same, the result always false whenever the result of the truth table or expression, or we can say in a statement, the output of the statement is always false means then that is known as fallacy. Fallacy, fallacy and tautology. Tautology means output is always true, then output is always false means that is actually known as fallacy. The next we'll move to the logical operators. There are three logical operators we are using. One is not operator, second or operator, and third one is and operator. Normally not, or, and, these are the operators used in logic. So logical operator. These are operators now used in computer to construction switching circuits. These are the mainly three logical operators used to construct the switching circuit or used to construct the circuits in a computer. The first one is not operator. The not operator is a unary operator. It is a unary operator. This operator operates on single variable, because if you take the not operator, that not operator performs on a single variable. That's why it is a unary operator. The operation performed by not operator is called complementation. The operation performed by the not operator. If you take the not operator, it will perform an operation. That operation is known as complementation. The symbol we use for it is bar. You can see x bar. X is the variable means x bar. X bar, one line you should write. That is actually the not operation. The another symbol we are using, negation of x. Negation of x. That also we can use, or x bar. Both also possible. See here, x bar. X bar means that complementation of x. X bar means that is a complementation of x is one value means x bar is the not operation of x. See, last we can see if x is equal to 1, because if we take the binary values or Boolean algebra, only two values are possible, either 0 or 1. If x is equal to 1, then x dash equal to 0. Remember, it is the opposite of x. Only two values are possible, 0 and 1. So if x equal to 0 means x bar or negation of x, or not x, you can say x bar will normally say x bar is equal to 0. Same way, if x is equal to 0 means x bar is equal to 1. Remember, only two values are possible, if either 0 or 1. If 0 is not, then if x is 0 means x bar should be 1. If x is equal to 1 means x bar should be 1. That is not operation. Here the truth table and Venn diagram. This is not Venn diagram is not important, and truth table is important here. See the truth table X, only one input is there. So you can see the rows and column. Two columns are there and two rows are there here. Two columns, one is X, then next is the next statement X bar. Rows, first row X can be either 0 or second row you can see X can be 0. See, that is a possible scenario. X value we can give either 0 or 1 or possible combinations. So if X is equal to 1, X bar will be 0. If X is equal to 0, X bar will be 1. That is the NOT operator. The next one is OR operator. The OR operator is a binary operator. This operator operates on two variables. See, NOT operator is unary operator, but if you take the OR operator, that is binary operator, because it performs or it operates with the two variables. Two variables are required to perform the OR operation. The operation performed by the OR operator is known as logical addition. Logical addition is the addition we are performing in case of OR operator. The symbol we use it for, that is plus operator. Plus is the symbol used for OR operator. Example, you can see X plus Y. X plus Y, symbol plus is used, but you can read X or Y. You have to read that as X or Y. X plus Y means it is a X or Y. It is a logical addition. Here is the truth table. You can see the truth table X, Y and X plus Y. X and Y is the two inputs, and possible next is the statement X plus Y. So here you can see the four rows. Four rows you can see possible combination. Either X is 0, Y is 0, X 0, Y 1, X 1, Y 0, and X and Y both also 1. These are the possible combinations. Here 0 plus 0 means output will be 0. 0 plus 1 or 0 or 1 means output is 1. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 means 1 or 0 means output is 1. 1 plus 1 means 1 or 1 means output is 1. You can see the output here, OR operator output. The OR operator output is 0 when all the inputs are 0. See, X and Y is the input here. When all the inputs are 0, then output will be 0. Otherwise, always output is 1. Or we can say like this, the output of OR operator is 1 when any one of input is 1. Whenever any one of input is 1 means the output is also 1. Otherwise, output will be 0. So that is the OR operator. The next one is AND operator. The AND operator is a binary operator. AND operator also binary operator. This operator operates on two variables. It also operates on two variables. The operation performed by AND operator is called logical multiplication. Here logical multiplication we are performing based on AND operator. And symbol we use is dot. Normally we will use dot operation. Dot operator or the symbol we are using for logical multiplication. You can see the example X dot Y. Normally we will use X dot Y or sometimes X Y together. Without dot operator, if you use two variables together, that is actually known as AND operator. But if you use X dot Y or XY, we should read that as X and Y. We should read that as X and Y. Dot operator we are normally using. And here is the symbol or the truth table for AND operator. Here two inputs, X and Y is the input and output is X dot Y or XY. Here you can see the output 0.0 or 0 and 0, output is 0. 0 and 1, output is 1. So 0. 1 and 0, output is 0. 1 and 1, output is 1. Here we can see the output. Whenever both the inputs are 1, then only output will be 1. Otherwise, output will be 0. In case of AND operator, all the inputs are 0. Any one of the input is 0, output is 0. All the inputs are 1, then output will be 1. That is the AND operator. So here we reach the end of session today. In this session we discussed about the binary values and truth table and also different logical operators. One is NOT operator, AND operator, then OR operator. So I'll wind up my session today. Thank you.